hello. I hope you guys liked it. It took a really long time to make it. About 700 odd photos, and yes, some of them ended up blurred. Anyways, thank you for watching, and Happy New Year to all of you, and hope you guys have an awesome year. Um, yeah, well, I wanted to try something different, and that's how the stop motion video happened. Um, there are and another awesome thing happened. We hit 100 subscribers on the channel. There are more than 60 new people compared to the last video. Hello to all of you guys, and thank you for subscribing. I do have plans for further videos, some electronic projects and other stuff, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.